In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a GIF into a Constant Contact email. Begin by going to the top navigation menu in Constant Contact. From there, click Channels and then select Emails. This takes you into the main email area where you can create and manage your campaigns. Next, start a new email by clicking the button that says plus create, or in some accounts, plus create an email. Either option will begin the email setup process and bring you to the template selection screen. Now you will choose a template from the template library. Pick one that fits the look and layout you want for your message. Here is a helpful tip while you are choosing. If you want a template that is designed to work well with animation, search for the word animated or look for a GIF label on the template thumbnail. These templates are often built with image areas that make it easy to showcase an animated graphic without extra formatting. After you select a template, Constant Contact will open the Email Designer. This is the editor where you will build the email content and place your images, text, and other elements. To add your GIF, go to the left-hand toolbar inside the Email Designer. Find and click the Images tab, or in some layouts, the Elements tab. This is where you can access content blocks you can place into your email. From that panel, drag an image block into the email layout exactly where you want the GIF to appear. Take a moment to position it in the right section so it flows naturally with your text and any other visuals. Once the image block is in place, click directly on that block. Then choose Replace. From here, you can upload your GIF file from your computer. If your GIF is hosted online, you can instead choose the option to insert from a URL, which is useful for GIF links from places like a GIF hosting site. After you insert it, the GIF will display in that image area as part of your email design. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.